Hey, welcome back to Craftsmanship with Cook. Today's project is a dado box. We're gonna build a box using only dados and rabbets, and this is gonna help you build your skills as a craftsman. Let's go. And that's the box, designed to help you build your craftsmanship skills and hone your dados. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more of our weekly content. Until next build, peace.